Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create simple bar chart in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. To create simple bar chart, simply select your data. You just drag with the mouse and you can select your entire data. Or the second way is simply select inside the cell and you can use here the Control A shortcut key to select the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Charts group, select the first option, Insert Column or Bar Chart. Click on this drop-down arrow and here you can see the 2D bar. Simply select the first bar chart and that's it. Here you can see your simple bar chart is inserted with the Chart Design tab with the Format tab. If you want to increase the size of this bar chart, you just drag the corner point and you can increase the size of this bar chart. If you want to change the style, go to the chart design. In chart style, just click on this drop down arrow and you can keep cursor on the every style. You can see the preview of the style is showing here. Okay. So you can check the preview and select those you want. So that's it. You can see you can change the chart style also. Okay. If you want to change the chart title, just double click on here. You can use here this backspace and delete key also to remove this chart title and just enter your the new title. So I enter here the sales data. Okay. And if you want to change the colors and font style, you can change here. Simply right click on the chart title and click on the fonts option. And here you can see the font dialog box is open. You can change here the font style. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can select here the different styles. So the select this is a bold. You can change the bold italic. So I select the bold italic. If you want to increase the size of the chart title, you can change here. Just click on the up arrow to increase, down arrow to decrease the size. So I increase here size of the chart title. Okay. If you want to change the font color, you can just click on this drop down arrow and you can select the different color underline style. So you can select here different underline style. Underline color also you can select here and that's it. Okay. And after that, I just click on OK. And here you see your chart title is changed. Okay. This is a way you can create simple bar chart in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.